Devin AI, world's first AI software engineer. How it works. Can Devin AI replace human engineers? Hi everyone, welcome back to Enlighten JEE. And today we are talking about Devin AI, which is making waves as the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. Devin comes with some advanced capabilities in software development, including coding, debugging, problem-solving, etc., but it also raises questions about the future of human software engineers. Here's all you need to know about it. Let's dive in. What is Devin AI? Cognition, a leading tech company, has introduced Devin AI, the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. This innovation promises to speed development by using the power of AI-powered coding and machine learning. Devin is a tireless, skilled teammate, equally ready to build alongside you or independently complete tasks for you to review. With Devin, engineers can focus on more interesting problems and engineering teams can strive for more ambitious goals. Devin AI is a game-changer in software development. It's not just an assistant, it's a full-fledged AI engineer. Imagine a superpowered coder working independently. Did you know that Devin AI passed engineering interviews? According to the company, Devin has passed several practical engineering interviews held by leading AI companies and has also completed real jobs on the freelancing platform Upwork. Devin's capabilities. A look through Cognition's lens. According to Cognition, the developers behind Devin AI, here's a breakdown of Devin's capabilities and how it works. Full software development lifecycle. Unlike basic coding assistants that offer suggestions, Devin aspires to handle entire projects, from conceptualization to completion. Coding expertise. Devin boasts advanced coding abilities, including writing clean code, creating websites and software applications. Machine learning prowess. Powered by machine learning algorithms, Devin keeps learning and improving its performance over time. This allows it to adapt to new challenges and software development trends. Problem-solving skills. Devin isn't just a coding machine, it can also tackle complex problems and identify solutions. Continuous learning. Devin learns from its mistakes and experiences, constantly refining its abilities. How Devin works. Natural language processing. You can provide Devin with instructions in plain English, eliminating the need for complex coding languages. Project planning. Devin can break down complex projects into manageable tasks and plan the development process. Integration with development tools. It seamlessly integrates with existing developer tools, streamlining the workflow. On its YouTube channel, the company has demonstrated various cases of use of the AI agent. This includes building and deploying apps, finding and fixing bugs in codebases, and even fine-tuning AI models. Devin AI's impressive performance metrics. Devin AI, performance based on what's been revealed by Cognition, but how well does it translate to real-world performance? Let's explore some key metrics. SWE-Bench Benchmark. Devin on SWE-Bench, a challenging benchmark that asks agents to resolve real-world GitHub issues found in open-source projects. Devin correctly resolves 13.86% of the issues end-to-end, far exceeding the previous state-of-the-art of 1.96%. Even when given the exact files to edit, the best previous models can only resolve 4.80% of issues. Accuracy and efficiency. Devin's ability to independently solve coding challenges showcases its accuracy and efficiency in handling software development tasks. Learning machine. The use of machine learning allows Devin to constantly improve. This means its performance is likely to keep getting better as it encounters more data and complex problems. Overall, Devin's performance suggests a significant leap forward in AI-powered software development. It holds the potential to streamline processes and enhance software quality. It's important to note that Devin is still under development. While its performance is promising, real-world application may involve unforeseen challenges. Additionally, some complex tasks might still require human expertise. Devin AI impact on software development. Devin, an AI software engineer, is making waves in the development world. Here's how it's impacting software development. Increased productivity. Devin automates repetitive tasks like coding and debugging, freeing up developers for more complex problem-solving and strategic thinking. This can significantly speed up the development process. Improved software quality. Devin's ability to analyze large code bases and identify bugs with high accuracy can lead to more robust and reliable software. This translates to a better user experience. Democratization of development. Devin can act as a powerful tool for non-programmers by translating natural language descriptions into functional code. This could allow them to build basic applications or prototypes without needing extensive coding knowledge. Shifting developer skills. While some fear job displacement, Devin is seen more as a collaborator. Developers will need to adapt their skill set to work alongside AI, focusing more on creative problem-solving and strategic thinking. Reduced development costs. Devin's reliable automation leads to significant cost savings by automating repetitive tasks and increasing overall efficiency. Overall, Devin represents a new chapter in software development. By leveraging AI's power for automation, it has the potential to streamline workflows, improve quality, and enhance developer productivity. Can Devin replace software engineers? The short answer is likely no, at least not entirely. While Devin is impressive, it's important to remember it's a tool. Here's why human engineers are still crucial. Creativity and innovation. Devin can't come up with entirely new ideas. It excels at executing existing concepts but may struggle with groundbreaking innovation. Understanding complexities. Software development often involves complex business needs and user experiences. Human engineers can bridge the gap between technical aspects and real-world applications. Client communication and collaboration. Software projects involve interacting with clients and stakeholders. Devin might not be able to handle the nuances of human communication as effectively as a human engineer. The future. Collaboration is key. Devin, the world's pioneering AI software engineer, signifies a groundbreaking shift in software development. Its remarkable capabilities not only boost productivity but also hold the promise of innovation and efficiency. However, the widespread adoption of AI in this field presents challenges, such as potential job displacement and the necessity for redefining roles and specialized training. Addressing ethical and regulatory concerns becomes crucial for the responsible integration of this technology. Instead of replacing engineers, Devin is more likely to become a powerful collaborator. Imagine having an AI that handles tedious coding tasks, freeing up your time to focus on the broader objectives. This collaboration could lead to a new era of software development, where humans and AI work together to create even more amazing things. Essentially, Devin functions as an automated coding partner. You provide the vision, and Devin transforms it into a functional code. However, it's crucial to remember that Devin is still under development. While its capabilities are promising, its full potential and the long-term impact on software development remain to be seen. What do you think? Will Devin AI change the landscape of software engineering? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this information is helpful. Subscribe for more insights to our YouTube channel, Enlighten JEE, where we explore the exciting world of engineering and technology.